Coronavirus General Cleaning Tips. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. While physicians continue to remind everyone to wash their hands and keep from touching their faces to help prevent the spread of coronavirus, they also say it's important to keep a clean house. We'll provide you with a couple of general cleaning tips designed to save you time, energy and effort. Try to keep these in mind, and we promise that you'll have a much smoother and simpler cleaning experience. Disinfection only works on clean surfaces. There are no disinfectants that can magically get through a dust buildup. If you want your disinfecting and sanitizing solutions to work, you need to clean up first. For general cleaning, plain soap and water can do wonders. Yes, that's right. You don't necessarily need fancy commercial cleaning solutions or complicated DIY recipes to get the basics out of the way. And, as we mentioned above, the basics are absolutely vital if you want your disinfecting procedures to work. Do not combine commercial cleaning products ever. The only exception here is if they were designed to be used in tandem, and the instructions for safely doing that are presented by the manufacturer. Soft and porous surfaces are challenging to disinfect thoroughly. Germs, viruses, and bacteria have a way of hiding within the fabrics, and the only way to get them out entirely is by using specialized products or calling in the experts. Always test your cleaning solutions before you use them. This refers to both store-bought commercial cleaning solutions and DIY home recipes. No matter what the manual says, what that expert in the video claims, or what the book author swears by, always give them a test drive. Simply use a few drops on a hidden spot of your choosing and look for adverse effects like discoloration. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. When cleaning surfaces that come in contact with your food, like kitchen counters, tabletops or cutting boards, always give them an extra rinse unless instructed otherwise by the label. It's better to clean, in short, frequent sessions, rather than in large, home-wide ones. Not only does this tip help out with staying on top of your long-term domestic cleaning schedule, but it is also absolutely vital in the case of a viral outbreak. The last thing that you'll want to do right now is to allow dirt, dust or germs to build up in your home. A short and quick daily session is much more effective than a 3 hours long weekend one. As an added benefit, the cleaner your home is, the less need there will be for toxin-laden commercial cleaning solutions. And, if you want to stay as eco-friendly as possible, this should be your primary concern. Work on a schedule. Once you get accustomed to your schedule, you'll find that you can get through tasks faster and smoother. Additionally, in times of a crisis, a robust plan will ensure that you keep your attention focused where it needs to be and dramatically decrease the chance of skipping or forgetting about tasks. A schedule can be anything from a quick and straightforward checklist on your tablet or mobile phone, to a detailed write-up in your notebook. As an added benefit, you'll also get to enjoy the pleasant feeling of ticking things off your list whenever you complete a task. It's a win-win scenario. Take a look at how the pros do it. Professional cleaning companies will often tell you that they can clean up your premises much quicker than you can do it on your own. And, yes, it does have a bit to do with equipment and experience, but it's actually the know-how that makes all the difference. Simple things like cleaning from top to bottom, going room by room or taking the time to rearrange items before and after your session can really shorten your sessions. Watch our other cleaning videos below entitled, COVID-19 How to Keep Your Home Safe and Clean. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. FastKlean works in partnership with Bravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.